Hello and welcome everyone to this 8-week workshop on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. My name is Arun Rajkumar. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Data Science and Artificial Intelligence at IIT Madras, and I, along with my team, will be taking you through this 8-week course. So let's get started. So the first question that all of you are perhaps asking is why should you learn about artificial intelligence or machine learning for that matter? Some of you might have heard these terms in different contexts in your school. For some of you, it might be completely new. So what we will do in this workshop is we will not assume that you have heard or you know anything about artificial intelligence or machine learning, and we will start from ground up. So before we get into the details of why and so on, so I just want to set some context that the goal of this workshop is to give you an introduction to AI and ML and not to treat this as a complete course in itself, right? So the whole idea is to give you some brief overview of what it means to say when we say artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science for that matter. And then hopefully we will enthuse you enough so that you can take up more advanced courses or programs in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, so let's start by asking the question, why should I care about artificial intelligence or machine learning or know about AI or ML for that matter? So here is what I did this morning. I went to Google Trends and I searched for these three keywords: machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Don't worry if you have not heard any of these terms before, but what I want to highlight here is this following graph, right? So this is a graph of trends for these three keywords. What do I mean by trends? Well, this is the amount of, roughly the amount or the volume of Google search that has been made over the last 20 years for these three keywords. Machine learning is in blue, deep learning is in red, and artificial intelligence is in yellow. Now, as you can see, in the last 5 years or so, there has been an exponential increase in the number of searches for these three keywords, right? So and the increase is more for artificial intelligence, then for machine learning, and then for deep learning. Nevertheless, as you can see, at some point, at exactly at this point, there seems to be an exponential increasing trend, right? So this is roughly 2014 or 2015, which means that in the last 10 years, these three technologies have kind of picked up pace tremendously, right? And it is important for us as technology enthusiasts, or generally people who are trying to understand new technologies, to know what these trending technologies are, right? So that is one reason why you may be interested in understanding what is artificial intelligence, machine learning, or deep learning for that matter. And here is another good reason to know this, right? So this is top 10 technology trends in 2024, put down by I think this was by Ford, and they come up with the leading technology trends for every year, and this is in 2024. And as you can see, the top two trends are based on AI, right? So AI is artificial intelligence, and the second one is in fact artificial intelligence and machine learning. Not just that, if you go down the list, you do have other things, right? So for instance, robotics, virtual reality, edge computing, all of these days, these are separate fields by themselves, but then they do they have started using artificial intelligence and machine learning technology into their own fields as well. Even for cyber security for that matter, blockchains also for that matter, low code, no code also for that matter, right? So pretty much most of the trending technologies have some component of AI or ML. When I say ML, I mean machine learning. So so I think it is important for us to at least know the basics of AI and ML, and if it interests us, we should go ahead and take it up as a